Alright, hello my wonderful students. Today we're going to be solving a systems of equations given a word problem. So the word problem we have here is one satellite radio service charges $10 per month plus an activation fee of $20. The second service charges $11 per month with an activation fee of $15. In what month was the cost of both services the same? So in order to do this, we have to kind of diagnose what these are first and put it into two equations. And then we got to figure out where they intersect to find our solution. So we're going to go with our first satellite, which we're going to do, let's going to call it satellite A. So we're going to go SA, satellite A. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So we notice it costs $10 per month. So we're going to make it equal to $10 per month, and our per month is going to be our slope, so we're going to call it 10x. And there is a activation fee of $20, so that's a one-time fee of $20. So this is going to be our first equation. Then we're going to have our satellite B. So let's do, I guess, B of A is going to equal to our second one, which is the charge is $11 per month, so it's going to be $11 per month. And we're going to get an activation fee of $15. So once again, all I did is I checked to see the per month. The per month, it's going to change every month, so that has to be what multiplies our x. And our activation fee is a one-time fee, so you're only going to get charged one time for that fee. Alright, so I'm actually going to move my grafting a little bit lower, just because I realize that it's going to go a little bit lower, so I'm going to try to connect that best I can, down here as well, and then I'm going to move this down here. I might even go down to the bottom, because this is actually going to be kind of high since we have hair numbers, and I'm going to make it so that each one of these going up is going to be equal to 5, and I should have just done this instead. So it'd be 5, 10, 15, for example, and all the way to 20. And I'm gonna make this equal to 1, 2, 3. For this purposes, we're gonna skew this a little bit. 4, continue here, 5, and I don't think we need to go more than 6. Like I said, I'm only doing this because our graph does have higher numbers, and it makes it a little bit easier to see what's going on. 35, 40, 45, 50. I know we're going to have to go pretty high here, so I'm just going to keep going. 55. Should do this beforehand, sorry. 60, 65, and 70, and then 75. I'm not sure if we're going to have to go higher than that, but if we will, then I'll take care of that after. Alright, so let's go ahead and draft our first one here in purple. And we see that our y-intercept is at 20, so we're going to hit the 20 there. And we're going to go up 10 and over 1, because for this one, our slope would be equal to 10 over 1. So we're going to go up 10 to 30 over 1, then 40 over 1, 50 over 1, 60 over 1, and then 70 over 1. We could go another one higher, but we don't have it there. That would be 80 over 1 more. All right, and this will create our wonderful line of, let me get the purple color, this one here, starting at 0 and connecting all the way up there. The next one, which we're going to do in green, starts at 15 here. And it's a little tricky because it's going to go up. The slope here is equal to 11 over 1. So we have to make sure we go just a little bit more than 10. So it's going to be our 11 over 1. Then we're going to go up another 11. Now we're at 12. We're going to go up another 11. Now we're at 13. It is getting closer. Go up another 11. Now we're at 14. And go up another level. Now we're at this one here, which is our 15th, which makes it a 70 over 5 to 70. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to do this. All right, so we'll draw a line here. So 15. Come on, draw the line. There we go. Oh, draw a little bit to the side. Sorry. Right there. Good. And once again, I'm going to do it in red. Or I shouldn't say once again, that was the last video. This is going to be where it intersects here. And this is going to be our point 570. So if you look at this as in what month was the cost of both services the same. So our X would be our 5th month. So it would be in the 5th month. Our cost would be the same at $70. And that's it. So that'd be it. So once again, diagnosing the equations, setting up the actual graph, and then graphing them, see where they intersect.